Well, they say Sasquatch was 15 feet 3 feet. Some folks call him Bigfoot. Some call him the Abominable Snowman. The rest just call him Sir.
Inside. See you tomorrow.
Oh. Bye. You little sneak. I see what you're doing.
On warm nights just like this, he used to come out of the hills and turn whole villages upside down.
What?
You're saying I can't take it.
But all
You're saying I'm soft.
Looking for ice to stay cool.
Who's here? Your friend, Mojisha.
Or maybe just looking for trouble.
You're saying I'm soft. You think your little have fun inside challenge is gonna make me come camping with you. But that is never gonna happen. There's no way I'm gonna sit out here all night with you two losers. So get used to it.
I saw her again. And no one cared. The end.
Dexter, get a grip on yourself. Lightning is not scary. It is simply the phenomena caused by a surplus of electrons being attracted downward by Earth's protons. It is no more than a big wet demonstration of static cling. Phew. Good night, Einstein. Good night, Major Glory. Good night, Ghost of Dead Fishy.
Tommy. What is it, Chucky?
Who does Mojo think he's kidding?
Hi, Mojisha.
Hi! Okay, but what's he up to?
Definitely no good.
Right, but we can't let our friends know he's Mojo or they'll freak. Let's just keep an eye on him.
Dust bowl, smush bowl. I ain't moving to California.
Tommy, I just knew something bad was gonna happen. What do you mean, Chucky? That big furry monster your grandpa was telling us about. Would your grandpa call him the Satchmo? What if he comes to get us? I swear, you babies will believe anything. There ain't no Satchmo monster. Grandpa made him up. Oh yeah? Then what's that behind you?
What's going on?
Did I startle you, Pop? I'm sorry. I was just passing by and I thought I'd make sure everything's all right.
Everything would be just fine.
Camping.
Squidward's gonna come camping with us.
If looking out for my family's welfare is a crime these days, then I guess I stand guilty as charged. Good night.
Didi, did you also see the slimy, disgusting spookfish that just nearly killed me? No, I just like...
Passing by.